Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Josh and I make videos about how to make your money go the furthest. So if you're interested in making and saving as much money as possible, then feel free to subscribe to my channel by smashing that subscribe button below. So in this particular video, I am going to be reviewing the American Express Blue Cash Everyday credit card. I'm going to be discussing some of the good things about this credit card, as well as some of the things that you may not like so much about this credit card. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I'm going to start out with the good things about the American Express Blue Cash Everyday credit card. And the first thing that I'll mention is that this credit card does have a $200 spend bonus if you do spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of having this credit card, which should not be too difficult to achieve. That would be around $333 per month. So I would think most users would be able to achieve that goal fairly easily. So with that spend bonus, usually that gets automatically applied as a statement credit, so your balance will just be reduced, making it less of a payment that you would have to make later down the line. In addition to that, this credit card will be earning 3% back at US supermarkets up to $6,000 per year. Now keep in mind, if you do your groceries at Walmart, they don't consider that a US supermarket. So this would only apply to something like Winn-Dixie, Whole Foods, or your traditional US supermarkets. And I will go ahead and post an image above me, which will include some of the supermarkets that are included. And also I will post a link in the description below where you can check some of those out as well. Also, you'll be earning 2% back at gas stations and specific US department stores, and I'll list some of those stores up there above me, in addition to in the description box below. And then of course, everything not in those 3 categories, you will be earning 1% back on, which isn't that good, so you may consider using another credit card whenever you're not shopping in those 3 categories. Also, during specific time periods, you'll have different high cashback offers from popular vendors such as Starbucks, Jersey Mike's, Hard Rock Cafe, California Pizza Kitchen, and many more you'll see up on the screen right now. Also, last but not least on the list of things that I really like about this credit card is that it has no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about if you're getting enough back in cash back to offset that annual fee. All right, so now that I mentioned some of the things that I like about this credit card, I'm going to go ahead and jump over to some of the things that you may not like so much about this credit card. And there's really not a whole lot of things, honestly, to dislike about this credit card. The one thing that really stands out to me is that they do have a 2.7% foreign transaction fee. So it's definitely a credit card that you would not want to bring with you whenever you do travel abroad. There's plenty of other credit cards out there that don't have a foreign transaction fee, so I would just go with those when you do travel internationally. In addition to that, there is a late payment or return payment fee of up to $40. Those are things you don't necessarily have to worry about as long as you're paying on time. And that's something that I always try to preach on this channel is right whenever you use your credit card, try to pay it off as quickly as possible. Don't be late and don't pay interest, just so we can take advantage of all of those sweet cashback perks, and then we're not paying any type of interest or fees. All right, so to sum things up, I would say this is a pretty good credit card, even if you only use it exclusively at US supermarkets and you are able to max out that $6,000 allotment each and every year. That would be $180 in cash back, which is pretty solid. And of course, in that first year, since you are receiving that $200 spend bonus if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months, the first year you would be receiving $380 from using the American Express Blue Cash Everyday credit card. So I would say it is a good credit card to have, and you don't have an annual fee either. If you do want to look into another option, and I might look into this, the Blue Cash Preferred Card actually offers 6% back at US grocery stores. So you would essentially be doubling your cash back from $180 to $360. The only catch is that there is a $95 annual fee. Of course, even with that $95 annual fee, you would still be coming out ahead with the math and everything like that. However, if you're just totally against having any type of annual fee, which I can definitely understand, then the Blue Cash Everyday credit card might be better for you. So that about wraps up this video. If you did enjoy the content in this one and you would like to see more like it, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel by smashing the subscribe button below. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section if you currently have the credit card and how you like it so far, or if you're thinking about getting it, or if you just have any questions in general. So until next time, I'll see you guys. I hope you have a great day today.